How to write creatively? Very simple. How? Let's watch our fifth session. What day is it today? Again, what day is it today? It's Tuesday today. What? It's Tuesday today. What day is it tomorrow? It's Wednesday tomorrow. Again, it's Wednesday tomorrow. What day is it after Wednesday? Again, what day is it after Wednesday? It's Thursday after Wednesday. Again, it's Thursday after Wednesday. Very, very important. Please be attentive. Again, you're requested to be more focused, more attentive. Very, very important point. What day is it before Saturday? Again, listen to my question very carefully, very attentively. What day is it before Saturday? Yeah, you got the answer. It's Friday before Saturday. Yes, great. It's Friday before Saturday. What day is it today? It's Tuesday today. What day was it yesterday? Listen to the question again. What day was it yesterday? It was Monday yesterday. What day was it before Monday? It was Sunday before Monday. Again, it was Sunday before Monday. What day was it on 1st October 1972? 1st October 1972. It was Sunday. Yeah, the day I was born on. What day will it be tomorrow? Again, what day will it be tomorrow? It will be Wednesday tomorrow. Again, it will be Wednesday tomorrow. What day will it be after Thursday? It will be Friday after Thursday. What day will it be on 2nd May this year? I mean 2021. Listen to the question again. What day will it be on 2nd May this year? It will be Sunday on 2nd May. IOS. What does it stand for? It stands for International Organization for Standardization. What's it? Google it, please, in order to know something very, very important I'm going to share with you in the coming part or section of the video. What's the first day of the week? It's Monday. After Monday, it's Tuesday. After Tuesday, it's Wednesday. After Wednesday, it's Thursday. After Thursday, it's Friday. After Friday, it's Saturday. After Saturday, it's Sunday. And after Sunday, it's Monday. Yeah, Monday. The first day of the week. What's the last day of the week? Again, what's the last day of the week? It's Sunday. Before Sunday, it's Saturday. Before Saturday, it's Friday. Before Friday, it's Thursday. Before Thursday, it's Wednesday. Before Wednesday, it's Tuesday. Before Tuesday, it's Monday. Before Monday, it's Sunday. Sunday, yeah, the last day of the week. Question. What's the first day of the week? It's Monday. What's the last day of the week? It's Sunday. I have already shared with you IOS, International Organization for Standardization. Please Google it now. Practice this lesson with your family, friends, colleagues. Thank you. See you soon, inshallah.